Hello everyone, in this video we will compare GitHub Copilot and Gemini Code Assist. GitHub Copilot and Gemini Code Assist are both AI tools designed to help developers write code faster. GitHub Copilot is an AI tool that helps you write code faster by suggesting lines or entire blocks as you type. It works inside editors like VS Code and is trained on a huge amount of public code. You can start typing a function, and Copilot will try to complete it for you, saving time and effort. It's especially helpful for repetitive tasks, boilerplate code, or even when you're stuck. Copilot supports many programming languages and keeps getting better with updates. However, it doesn't always understand the full context of your project and sometimes makes mistakes. Gemini Code Assist is an AI tool from Google that helps developers write, understand, and fix code more easily. It works inside your code editor and also connects with Google Cloud tools, making it useful for both local and cloud-based projects. You can ask it to explain tricky code, suggest improvements, or help solve bugs. It supports many programming languages and uses smart context from your whole project to give better answers. Unlike basic autocomplete tools, Gemini can handle more complex questions and tasks. It's great for both beginners and experienced developers who want extra support. Overall, Gemini Code Assist is better for complex, context-rich coding and cloud integrations, while GitHub Copilot is better for quick in-editor suggestions. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.